Ready for the next revolution in 3D storytelling? Introducing SID. SID delivers the most stable 3D experience ever, compared to any other 3D video cameras today. We have researched and tested other 3D cameras, and most of them promise stability in shooting, but can't deliver. SID is portable for photographers, lightweight for adventurers, and convenient for content creators. That lack of stability creates a lot of dizziness and is no fun for VR headsets. SID promises stability, making the experience that more immersive. When SID is combined with a smartphone and a gimbal, users can see the real-time image and control the camera through the app on their phone, making the experience convenient, much more stable, and even more immersive than ever before. You can also edit and share your stories easily on the SID application. SID can be used to live stream by simply connecting to your PC, tablet, or smartphone. It can also add AR effects to your video live stream. With SID, you don't have to worry about carrying bulky 3D systems. It's ready to use in seconds. And you can take professional-looking photos with that wiggling background. SID is a revolution.
Life is made of memories. Fleeting moments we want to remember. Make them unmissable with 4K photo from Lumix. Create a video in stunning 4K and easily save the perfect moment as a high-quality photo. Shoot, select and save with 4K photo on the LUMIX G7 from Panasonic.
GoPro, start recording. Panasonic.
This is the BW Space. BW Space is the newest and most improved underwater drone from Youcan Robot. From the sleek chassis to the incredible technology inside it, it has the ability to capture 4K video at 30 frames per second and take still photos at 12 megapixels with low latency. With 7 hours of total dive time, 100-meter dive depth, and a max speed of 2 meters per second, you can go farther, faster. With state-of-the-art active tracking, it can follow your subject automatically. And with dual powerful LED lights, you'll have no problem navigating in the darkest of conditions. Live sharing makes it a breeze to share with your friends. With the click of a button, the whole world can tune in to your adventure. And with a BW Space in your hands, it will feel like anything is possible.